Hello, I'm Grumpy. Today I got a magic drink called the Magic Teapot. Okay, this teapot can boil different galaxies. Okay, every book green, red, and yellow. Now people always ask me what makes the tea turn different colors. I say I got magic shots. I got magic shots that turn the water different colors. I got red for the red one. I got yellow for the yellow one. And I got green for the green one. Now I will put all those down and now I will place the lid back on and that they are out of the way. I will take this cup and this cup. With the cup out of the way, both Leo water. To prove that it's really clear and drinkable, I will drink it. I'm a Grandini, and that's called the magic tea kettle.